Hey guys, I think that you guys start to wonder, how do you get out of handcuffs when you have police around you? Well, this is how. Okay guys, I've got my handcuffs, just one for one arm. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put them on. They're on. One sec! Okay, I'm going to get out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now this is how I did it. This first secret is in the handcuffs. There's a little switch here, a little button that sticks out. There, you pull that, so I'll put them in. It's on. You can't do that, you just pull that. That's the handcuffs. Hope you enjoyed.